Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Step-by-step basic flashcards. So in StudyFetch. So here I'm going to give you step-by-step on how to make a flashcard here in StudyFetch. So in StudyFetch, when making a flashcard, I suggest having yourself materials right here, adding or uploading yourself some of a few materials here. You can add some. You can add it from your PDF, Word, or any of those, or picture them or in your gallery and that stuff to start. Or you can just start from scratch or new. So here, let's start. So all we need to do is press on practice on the bottom right corner right here, and then press on create right there, right here. Oopsie, sorry. It just changed for some reason. Okay, so right here, press on flashcards right here. So now here press on create right here, and after pressing on create right there, now we can create from our materials, from quiz set, or from Anki, but right now we're gonna do it from scratch. Now here, so here as you can see right now we have add flashcard. All we need to do is press on create flashcard. So now we're gonna put in, we can do the basic term and definition, or we can add some image. We'll do multiple choices. So for the multiple choices, it looks like this. Let's say apple. Then now, what keeps the doctor away? You can add banana, mango. You can add for the last one apple. And for it to correct the right answer, we just need to press on apple right there, and then add the card. Place it right there. There you go. Then flashcard added. We can add another flashcard. We just click on the add right there. See, like a bit, and we have to fill in the blank. Say enter the text with hi, my name is, then we're gonna add in the blank word right there. We can add the blank word right there. Say blank. Make it like that. Okay. There you go. Then go. Do it like that. There you go. Okay. I'm going to just put in my name as Jeff, then they'll have to decide something like that. Save. There you go. Now when you want to study, press on study right there. Study now. As you can see right now, right there, press the banana. Banana with apple. Then my name is, I'm gonna put in Jeff. Check. There you go, you're correct. So there you go, guys. To do it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and then we'll be happy to answer you. And there you go, guys. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.